A Tesla Cybertruck reportedly crashed into a ditch, causing the passenger side body panels to peel off. Dramatic damage may have to do with the rigid stainless body panels, which are less likely to crumple compared to a normal vehicle's bodywork. The black-wrapped truck crashed in a small pond, next to what appears to be a highway on-ramp, facing the wrong way. Two men stand beside the stricken truck, which we sincerely hope no one was badly injured in this accident. The windshield is smashed in, the front end has some damage, and the passenger side of the vehicle has been stripped of the body panels, from the front fender to the rear door. What remains of the body can be seen hanging off the vehicle like the lid of a can of sardines. The view of the naked front door suggests that this accident involved a lot of force, as the bottom portion is bent and mangled from the stress of the collision. The sardine can style peeling of bodywork on the Cybertruck may be due to its unique construction.